Question 7 says Claire and Phil are each running to raise money. The amount of money, Y, in dollars, they each raise is based on the distance, X, in miles they each run. Clark has an initial donation that he has received regardless of how many miles he runs. I'm going to highlight initial donation. And the graphs shown below model the amount of money each will raise based on the distance they run. So, the question asks us, what is the unit rate for the person for whom the amount of money and the number of miles are proportionally related? So right away, I know that they're asking about the person for whom the amount of money and number of miles are proportionally related. And based on the graph, I can cross off Clark right away because Clark does not have an intersection at 0, 0, the origin, so I know that he is not proportionally related. And so we're looking for the unit rate in Phil's graph. This phrase, unit rate, simply means the rate per one. The rate per one. And we can use the graph to help us estimate what the rate per one is. I can see, and I'll zoom in, that for 1 mile, if I trace up on my graph, I have about somewhere between 5 and 10. And I can draw that line a little more precisely. Notice how it intersects pretty close to the 10. It's less than 10 for sure, but it's more than 5. It's more than halfway between 0 and 10. So let's see if there are any options that meet that criteria. We know 5 is too little. We know 15 and 30 are way too big because it's definitely less than 10. And that leaves us with option B.